This year we started on a major initiative to really reinvent our store experience. So as our product was moving forward, we also needed to move our stores forward. And as such, what was originally just a simple wood floor, now we're using an exciting new flooring with our new stores. So we've moved our palette in a different direction. So globally now we're using some great wood flooring, and we've put it into 16 stores around the world now. And we're actually putting it into our New York showroom as well. And it really has changed the dynamic of how our stores look and really moved us in a much more modern direction.
The design intent with our Evergreen Park store was to create an environment with total flexibility, be able to change a merchandising thought process without incurring any significant expense. We set out to create an environment that's light, bright, energizing to the customer shopping in our stores, and one that serves as a point of differentiation for our stores and the competitive landscape for department stores. An environment that's totally focused on the product.
The Macy's project really is phenomenal in scale. It was a 4-year, $400 million project. It's the first full renovation of the Macy's Herald Square flagship store in 111 years. Our goal was to take those elements that were historic, such as the facades and some of the other special components like the escalators, and preserve those and restore and rehabilitate those. But then to take those elements which were not historic and to make those contemporary and bring those into the future. For example, in the bridal department, there was a need to really create something that was fresh and new. And I really loved the product that we picked there, a beautiful dark wood with a cerused quality that brought up the wood grain and created a lightness and a contrast. It really looks like something that's fresh and contemporary, and yet it's still classic enough that it works for a bridal section.
The design concept for the Saks Fifth Avenue Hawaii location was really rooted in trying to address and take clues from the environment that the store is in. So the exterior of the store, which we designed, we worked with ASI on resourcing a stone that represented and was similar to the stone that you would find in the local mountains. So we wanted the facade to be a contemporary representation of the landscape, and Architectural Systems helped us find a material that met that goal and obviously was a material that was well priced and could be sourced quickly. Another part of the project that was very important that ASI helped us with was on the interior, helping us resource a mosaic floor material that again helped us meet the challenges of the space in particular. So it was for the beauty department, and obviously it needed to have a lot of life and sparkle, but also the geometry of the pattern was very challenging. So working with ASI made that a lot easier.
We've loved working with Architectural Systems for years, and one of the things that I really respect about their products is that they really work with us to achieve our design goals.
They bring newness and innovation to the table. They bring solutions to our challenges.
And, it really starts with Nancy and Ron and the team that they built around them. But anytime we need something new, we always know that we can go there and we'll find things that we never even expected to find.
Anytime we need help with custom or complex materials and patterns, they are the company that we go to work with, because they seem to have resources all over the world that can help us realize our vision.